How to fix use Messenger to keep chatting. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Have you seen the message use Messenger to keep chatting while trying to send messages on Instagram? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to fix this issue quickly so you can get back to chatting without any interruptions. So let's dive right into it. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can often cause this issue. Next, enable cross-app messaging. Open Instagram, go to Settings and tap Privacy Messages. Look for the option to enable cross-app messaging and make sure it's turned on. Next, install the Messenger app. If you still see the error, download and log into Messenger app using the same account linked to your Instagram. Once connected, try sending a message again on Instagram. Next, clear cache. On Android, go to your phone settings and find Instagram and clear the cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to clear temporary data. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.